Hello and welcome. It's Samson Faithful here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make between $10 to $50 every single day from the comfort of your home or office with your smartphone or at most with your PC. If you know you are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. On this channel, I discuss everything you need to know about starting and running your business online effectively. And I also teach you how to make money from the online space. All right, let's dive into it. But before we go in, please do like this video so it can trigger YouTube algorithm and lots of persons will get to see it and also benefit from it as well. And of course, do subscribe if you know you're yet to do so. Just do subscribe. That singular subscription or that single subscription means a lot to me. And of course, do remember to turn on notification settings so YouTube will notify you when I post amazing content. Okay, so when it comes to selling digital products online, there are lots of platforms that you can make use of. And the first one I have on my list here is seller.co, Selar, seller.co. This is the best way to sell your digital product, blah 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 blah. Okay, so if you're wondering what type of digital product to sell online, there are lots of options available. You can sell ebooks, you can sell online courses, you can sell softwares, you can sell educational videos, you can and lots of them. Okay, on it's easy. I mean, it is free for you to use seller.co because you can actually remain on the free plan for all of eternity. So you can use seller.co for free. All what you just need to do is to sign up and you can get started with it. Okay, so let's log into my dashboard on seller.co. So I would show you my earnings for this month, the number of sales I've made for this month. So this is my dashboard on Sell. I just logged in. You can see just this month 237 sales made already. It's even like a low ticket offer. So I was able to sell it to lots of persons. So 237 sales made already. When it comes to seller.co, I've said it already, you can sell your digital product here for free. It's entirely for free. It's for free. Seller only makes money when you make money. I'll say it again, they only make money when you make money. So if you want to get started, it's actually quite simple, right? You just open a new account. So you simply just open a new account. So once you open a new account, you create product. If you are using the free plan on Seller, if you are using the free plan on Seller, you can create as much as 40 products. So you simply just create your product, then you drive your traffic. You simply drive your traffic, and of course, you can drive your traffic all the way from Facebook, from WhatsApp. You can just drive your traffic from anywhere, and trust me, you'll be able to make as much sales as possible. Then the second one here I have on my list here is Printivo. Is Printivo. Now this is for people who are designers and you want to sell your designs. You can easily come all the way to Printivo. You can come all the way to Printivo. So how this works is that you'd actually put your designs here, right? And any client that is to come and make use of your design, you will get 50% commission of the design. So imagine you have like 100 clients, or you have clients who come to use your designs 100 times, you will get 15% off each time they make use of your designs. Everything still boils down to the fact that once you get involved in the digital industry, it's just a function of you just having to create ones. Once you create ones, trust me, the delivery is just in and out, over and over and over again. The other one I have on my list here is Gumroad. Gumroad is Gumroad. Is Gumroad. Gumroad. Now, one of the amazing things I love about Gumroad here is that they promote your product for you. They promote your product for you as against seller, whereby you have to be the one to drive in traffic. When you come all the way to Gumroad and you list your digital product on Gumroad, they promote it for you. They promote it for you. Of course, they get a commission for the promotion and everything, but it is promoted for you. It is promoted for you. So I've mentioned seller, I've mentioned Printivo, I've mentioned Gumroad, then I have PayIp here. PayIp here. Then I have PayIp. PayIp. These are platforms, all of these are platforms whereby you can come to sell your digital product, ranging from ebooks to courses to photography. You can sell all of these on digital sites. The truth is that you know something more than many people. All what you just need to do is to package your knowledge into a digital product that solves a problem, right? And simply sell those products to persons. And you can sell those products over and over again and make continuous steady income from what you know. But then I wouldn't deny the fact that you need to put in the work. There's a level of work you need to put in. There's a level of work you need to put in. For you to even come on this site I've mentioned to upload your stuffs on this site, trust me, there's a level of work that you need to put in. And I've mentioned how many sites already. I've mentioned four already. I personally love Seller. I love Seller. I so much love Seller. I so much love Seller. It has a nice interface. It's easy. It's user friendly. So easy to navigate. It's so easy to navigate, and I just really just love the entire concept behind it. Then this one of design and print, of course, you can earn passively from this. Then this one of Gumroad, geez, I mean, they promote your product for you here. Like all what you just need to is for you to just upload your product on Gumroad and just go and sleep. Like they promote your product here for you, and you get a commission from what you upload on the site, from what you upload on the site. And then we have the payip.com. We have the payip.com. Apart from all of these ones that I've mentioned, there are so many others. There are so many others apart from the ones I've mentioned. Everything still boils down to the fact that for you to be able to make money steadily every day, you need to offer something, and what you're offering must solve a problem. As soon as what you're offering solves a problem, then people will gladly give you their money and they will tell you thank you afterwards. Even though you got value from this video and you're yet to like it, please do give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more amazing content. Till I come your way again, I remain Samson Faithful.